身走暗巷，爱你不跪的模样，爱你对峙过绝望，不肯哭一场，爱你破烂的衣裳，却敢堵命运的枪，爱你和我那么像。
老师, I'm trying to read Chinese, but why is the sentence so long? There's no spaces, it's one long word. How do you tell which word is which word?
月山, that's correct. Not like English. In Chinese, there is no space between words. Therefore, you have to recognize which one character, most of the time 2 characters, sometimes even 3 or 4 characters can be a word.
Sounds logical.
跟我说，电视，
电视，
电话，
电话，
电影，
电影，
电脑。
电脑。
What's in common?
They all have the word 电。
对了，猜一猜，电什么意思？
电 means electricity.
太棒了！我说你打字，电脑，电视，电话，电影。
Chinese words are made up of characters. Words can be made up of 1 single character, 2 characters, or even 3 characters. In the Chinese language, there's no need for spaces. Words that share the same character belong to the same family. For example, the character dian can be the beginning of many different words. Dianhua, electric, talk, for phone. Or dianshi, electric vision, TV. This is a strategy that can help you read and understand new words as you embark on your learning.